All right, so you're stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire, and let me tell you, it's not fun. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 tire repair kits you can grab on Amazon right now. I've done the research, compared the features, read through hundreds of reviews, and I'm going to tell you exactly which one you should throw in your trunk. Links to everything are down in the description if you want to check current pricing and deals. Let's get into it. Starting off strong with the Rhino USA 86-piece tire repair kit. And honestly, this thing is absolutely loaded. We're talking 86 pieces here. Repair plugs, strings, lubricant, T-handle tools, spiral probe, needle nose pliers, even a utility knife. It's like they just kept adding stuff until they ran out of room in the case. So what's cool about Rhino USA is it's an American family-owned company, which is nice. And they offer a lifetime warranty, like actual lifetime replacement. If something breaks, they'll swap it out, no questions asked. That's pretty solid peace of mind, especially when you're dealing with tools that need to hold up under pressure. Now, let's talk pros. First off, you can repair up to 60 tires with this kit because it comes with 60 plug strings. Unless you're really unlucky or running a tire shop out of your garage, that's going to last you years. Second, it works in all weather conditions. Rain, snow, extreme heat, doesn't matter. Third, it's completely universal. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors. Basically, if it has a tire, this kit handles it. And the storage case keeps everything organized, which honestly matters when you're fumbling around in the dark on the highway shoulder with cars flying past you. The cons? Well, it's one of the pricier options on this list. Not crazy expensive, but you're paying for that warranty and all those extra pieces. Also, some people might find 86 pieces a bit overkill if you just need something basic for emergencies. The case is also a bit bulky compared to smaller kits. All right, moving on to number 2, the AUTOWN 68-piece tire repair kit. This one's got over 8,600 reviews on Amazon with a 4.7-star rating, so clearly people like it. That's a lot of real-world testing right there. What stands out here is the professional quality steel construction. They're not messing around with cheap materials that'll bend or break on you. The tools have great adhesion and flexibility, and the whole thing is built to handle the toughest tires you can throw at it. You get 68 pieces total, including the T-handle and spiral probe for easy insertion. Let's hit the pros. First, the quality to price ratio is excellent. You're getting pro-grade steel tools without breaking the bank. Second, it works on pretty much any vehicle. Cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, RVs, trucks. Third, the portable storage case is genuinely compact, like it actually fits in your glove box if you squeeze it in there, or easily under a seat. And fourth, people rave about how easy it is to use even if you've never plugged a tire before in your life. The instructions are clear and straightforward. Cons? A couple users mentioned some pieces broke on first use, though that seems pretty rare based on the overall reviews. And if you're looking for the absolute most complete kit with every backup tool imaginable, this has fewer pieces than the Rhino USA. But for most people, you won't notice the difference. Now let's check out the CTR Heavy Duty 68-piece tire repair kit. Another 68-piece option, but this one's positioned as an all-in-one professional solution. So what makes it different from the AUTOWN? What I like about CTR is they really focus on heavy-duty construction. This is built to last, with durable materials that aren't going to snap when you're trying to ream out a puncture in a tough tire. It's designed specifically for tubeless tires, which is what most modern vehicles have anyway, so they've optimized everything for that use case. Pros time. First, it's a complete professional set. You've got insertion tools, reamers, repair plugs, everything you need in one box. Second, the heavy-duty build quality means this will survive being bounced around in your trunk for years without falling apart. Third, universal application across cars, trucks, RVs, SUVs, ATVs, motorcycles, tractors, trailers, you name it. And the organized storage case keeps everything from turning into a jumbled mess where you can't find anything when you actually need it. The cons? Not as many pieces as the Rhino USA, so fewer backup plugs for multiple repairs down the road. And honestly, there's less customer feedback on this one compared to the bigger brands like Rhino USA and AUTOWN, so it's a bit harder to gauge long-term reliability based on real-world use. Next up, we've got the Libraton 78-piece tire repair kit. And this is where things get interesting because you're jumping up to 78 pieces. That's more than most kits on this list, except the Rhino USA. So you're getting closer to that premium tier. This is marketed as heavy-duty professional repair tools, and it's designed for both plug and patch repairs. So you've got more options for fixing different types of tire damage depending on what you're dealing with. Works on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, SUVs, trucks, tractors, trailers, basically everything with wheels. Pros. First, 78 pieces means you're getting a ton of value for your money. More repair plugs, more backup tools, more options. Second, the dual-function design for plugs and patches gives you flexibility depending on the type of puncture you're dealing with. Third, it's suitable for both DIY folks and professional mechanics, so the quality's definitely there. And fourth, more pieces generally means you're prepared for multiple repairs over the life of the kit without needing to buy refills. Cons? It's bigger and heavier than some of the more compact options, so storage might be trickier if you got limited trunk space or a smaller vehicle. And with more pieces comes a slightly steeper learning curve if you're a total beginner who's never done this before. Last but not least, the ORCISH Heavy-Duty Tire Repair Kit. This one's built specifically as an emergency tire repair solution for tubeless flats, which is exactly what most people need. What's interesting about ORCISH is they really emphasize the emergency aspect of tire repair. This is designed for roadside fixes when you're in a pinch and need to get moving fast. You get 70 pieces, all organized in a portable carrying case, and it covers cars, trucks, SUVs, ATVs, motorcycles, trailers, and RVs, pretty much everything. Pros? First, it's an all-in-one kit, so you're not missing any essential tools when you open it up. Second, the heavy-duty construction means it'll hold up under pressure, literally and figuratively. Third, it's specifically optimized for tubeless tires, which is what you probably have on your vehicle right now. And the portable storage makes it easy to keep in your vehicle without taking up half your trunk space. The cons are pretty similar to the others. It's not the absolute most comprehensive kit if you want every possible backup tool and accessory. And at 70 pieces, it's kind of in the middle of the pack, so you're not getting the most of anything specific. If you want the ultimate complete kit with a lifetime warranty and don't mind spending a bit more, go with the Rhino USA. It's the most comprehensive, and that warranty is legit. You're basically set for life. If you want the best bang for your buck with solid quality and tons of positive reviews, grab the AUTOWN. It's the crowd favorite for a reason. Great quality, reasonable price, and it just works. Need something professional grade and heavy duty without overthinking it? CTR or ORCISH are both solid choices, depending on whether you prioritize brand reputation or piece count. Either one will get you back on the road. And if you want more pieces than the basics, but don't need the full Rhino USA treatment with everything including the kitchen sink, Libraton sits right in that sweet spot. You're getting 78 pieces of quality tools without paying top dollar for the premium tier. All the Amazon links are down in the description if you want to check current prices or read more reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there on the roads.